What up? Thank you for joining us again. Sal and I are here at Helton Nature Park. Got the kayaks. We're waiting on Justin. He was at work. It's about 43 degrees out here. It's kind of cold. I'm hoping the water temperature is a little higher. For some reason, every time we come here, it seems like when you stick your hand in the water, it's a little warmer than I guess the outside temperature. But like I said, we got the kayaks. River's behind us. We found a better launching spot than last time, so we're gonna take the kayaks down, get unpacked. We are in search of big catfish today. So I have a feeling Sal's gonna pull out the big one today if we catch anything at all. But I brought the cooler, gonna get unpacked, and let's just catch you on the water.
We'll find out. Oh, you look. Got him. Chiquito. Get cute.
Big bite, big drop.
Let's. I just got hit twice hard.
Yeah?
Yeah, right in front of those trees.
If y'all want to go up or down, let me know. Or I'm getting hit. I can over here. Oh, I mean, I'll take you in a good spot. Better watch your plan.
Ooh, look at that tree. Holy all in ass. No, you're good, you're good. Current took me. First night, little bluey. Thanks to Mark and Sal over here for bringing me. Mark's still struggling over there. Thanks for playing, little guy. Let it go. Straight back under the tree. What the hell? You had one the whole time.
I think I hooked it right now.
I got it.
All right, third fish. Another little cat. Thanks, homie.
First catch of the day, little catfish.
All right, little update. Oh no, I just landed in the tree. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting that back. Oh, I just snapped my line, really? Man. Oh no, we got some bigger problems than I thought. Oh no. All right, little update. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Doing pretty good so far. We keep catching the same size catfish. Justin caught a pretty nice blue, as you saw. Headed down a little farther. I need to set up my route again because I'm having some technical difficulties. Update you soon. Hopefully catch a big cat. Hopefully. We'll see. I got one. Oh no, don't lose him, don't lose him. Chill out, dude. He is pretty big. $3.95. Can you open your mouth just a little bit, please? What the f? Just.
Give it a second. It's a largie, or no, it's a catfish.
I thought it was a bass too for a second there.
He's a keeper.
You saw his heady.
You mother trucker.
What?
You're right next to me. The hell happened to his eye?
I wish I could just do this fishing shit. Yeah, bro. Like a real pit stop.
Second one of the day. A little bigger.
All right, it's been about 30 minutes since I caught the big cat. Caught another one. I think this is my 6th or 7th today. I haven't filmed every single one, but I am gonna take the big one because JD and M3 have been asking me for catfish. So we're gonna have that for dinner today or tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Another one. Later, homie. It's insane how much focus it is fishing. You know, when you're doing a lot of other things, it's kind of hard to keep focus. I guess because you're not as passionate or interested, but when you're fishing, I cast out and I stare at this rod and I just stare at it, sometimes for hours on end. I guess the same thing with the bobber. If you're fishing with a bobber, you're just staring at it, you see orange. Maybe we'll pull up one more. A solid 10 catfish would be really nice. Just staring, see? Caught myself. I have to blink once in a while. All right, got one more. Got a little baby bass. All right, buddy, hold on. Let me get back more. I want to say it's a guad. Could be wrong. Beautiful either way. Thank you, buddy. And I'm just casting out right here, right next to the kayak. Got some fresh worms on. I think it's about 6 or 7 feet down. Once I start getting little nibbles, I grab it. All right, Justin's got what looks like a big fish on. We're headed down. Hold on, don't break it, hold on. He's tangled up.
I need an anchor on something. Okay. Hurry. Oh, dude. This is bigger than yours. Oh my god. Go.
Stay cool. Stay cool. Let it go.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Woo, dude, you almost flipped me over.
God, dude. All right, let's.
Dude.
Dude, this is the biggest catfish I've ever seen in real life, in person. Yeah, we're gonna have to. You're gonna have to throw me a rod, I think.
My arms are tired.
Dude, that's a beautiful fish. Oh my gosh.
Flip me over.
I'm gonna say 9 pounds, dude. Solid 10 catfish. Really nice. It is ginormous, Sal. Yeah. It's huge. No, buddy.
Get the pliers. Oh, you still have these?
Dude. Oh my goodness. Biggest cat I've seen. Let's get away, dude. Oh man, that's okay. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, zero it out. Let's see.
Two. Hell yeah.
Congrats, dude. Oh my goodness. All right, sorry the lighting's bad. What a crazy turn of events. Look at that fish. Oh my. Crazy. I lost my stringer, dropped it with the catfish, and then not 30 minutes later. Dude, we already fished that spot too.
That's where we started though.
Yeah, we started there. We were there for like, what, 30 minutes, 45 minutes?
Nothing.
Went back.
It's the same spot you caught the last one.
Beautiful, dude. That is amazing. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you wanna go get your truck real quick?
Yeah.
I'm gonna dip them one more time.
Oh, that thing's huge.
Next time, we're on the next spot here.
Hell yeah. All right, I hope you can see me okay. I know the lighting's really terrible out here. I'm in the backyard, I'm here at home. I've got the catfish Justin was nice enough to give us. And I'm gonna start processing them. I'm gonna turn them into a couple fillets, and I've seen a new method, so let me get them out and I'll show you. Oh my gosh, it's even bigger now. All right, so I just saw this new technique on how to humanely kill a catfish. And what you do is there's like a, I guess a part right here, and you pierce through it with your knife. And then I have this wire, and you just stick the wire back there, and it pierces the brain, and it knocks them out completely real quick. There's no hitting them in the head. There's none of that dramatic stuff. I'm not gonna show it to you on camera because I don't want to get into YouTube strikes or anything like that, but let me knock this out and then I'll show you some filleting. All right, and that was it. It took about 30 seconds. You can see a little mark right there. Died instantly. It was the most humane way I've ever seen it. I'm gonna do it like that from now on. There's no bashing him in the head. There's no shooting him, nothing like that. And you can see he's knocked out. So I'm gonna get this guy skinned and fillet him. Yeah, hold on, give me 1 second. I need a bag. This is my boy JD. He's been new to the channel. Been on it once or twice, but he was a little boy. Right? Put most of this in there. So what you're gonna want to do is put all those in here. Or you know what? Put like a handful. And then a little bit more, a little bit more. Alright, now we're gonna close it. Sorry. Actually, yeah, you'll rinse off your hands, please. What, Papas? Of course. Alright, we got Pops here, of course. Here. Okay, Jay, hold the bag open for Marky. Marky, you're gonna put the rest of those in there. Go ahead.
In there?
Yes, sir. Put the rest of them, it'll be fine. We gotta hurry, guys.
All of them?
The oil's kind of getting, it's real hot. As I say, it's ready to go. We're gonna wash your hands real good after that, okay?
Okay.
Good job, guys.
Done?
All right, now Jay, close the bag really, really well, please. Okay. Got it all?
Got it, Troy?
Good job. All right. First one.
Yeah, look.
Down, away from it, okay?
Yeah, look. It's not even cool.
Hey.
Hi. Wait here?
Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Grandma. Do I put it here?
Okay, here. Yes, remember, look, away from me, remember? I'll drill it. Like, there you go. Make sure you don't put your hands in there, okay? I know you need one more. Go ahead. Do not put your hands in there. I'd like to sign this week out a little differently. And I'd like to leave you with a quote I heard. And it's team. Together, everybody achieves more. And while it might be kind of cheesy and not really our style, I truly believe whether that be your family, friends, co-workers, what have you, if everybody keeps a good attitude and pitches in, pulls their own weight, amazing things can happen. Sal, Justin, I appreciate you boys coming out this week. Justin, congrats on your personal best, buddy. That was one hell of an adventure. I appreciate you all joining us, and I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button and joining us again. And I know some of you are only here for the skateboarding or the fishing, but I think it's important, especially to show the kids These boys will be grown up soon, and I want to remember these times forever. That's one of the main reasons I do this channel, to document these times, share them with y'all, and to share them with my family in the future. And one more thing, in case anybody hasn't told you lately, this don't last forever. Enjoy life, man. Let loose. Enjoy yourself. I'll catch you on the next one.